Hi, hello, welcome to back my video tutorial point. Today topic is the RTX 5080 vs RX 7900 XTX. The Blackwell is the RDNA 3 4K enthusiastic GPU battle in 2020-26. What are the main difference? I will explain very simple, very short video. Expected speed is the 10,000 CUDA core and expected 16 GB GDDR7. Expected 256-bit memory bus is there. The estimate 900 plus GB per second bandwidth. Estimate 300 to 320 watt TDP is there. DLSS next gen version, the strong ray tracing and AI performance accepted. This the official specifications of the RX 7900 XTX. The official specification 6144 string process 24 GB. This is the GDDR6 384-bit memory bus. This is the 256 84-bit memory bus. The difference you observe, this is the estimated Gbps bandwidth 900. This one 558 900 Gbps per second. This one is the 960 Gbps bandwidth. This is estimated. This is the power is the 300 T20. It is the bandwidth boost clock speed 2.4 gigahertz. Wattage is 355 watt TDP. FSR 3.1 support. Strong raster performance. The performance is raster performance is the RX 7900 XTX leads to pure faster workload ray tracing. The RTX architecture historically leads a ray tracing UP upscaling DLSS and FRC 3.1. The DLSS vs FRC is the VRAM advantage. RX 7900 XTX 24 GB. This by RTX, the your which you buy, who should buy which. The first one you portrays to ray tracing, you want advanced AI features, you prefer to DLS ecosystem, you can purchase RTX 5080 IF. The graphic card is 16 GB. The boy RX 7900 XTX IF, you want strong 4K raster frames per second, you need to 24 GB VRAM, and you want better raw performance for the dollar, you purchase this one. Please support, please share. So many videos are coming this informative, very short, without any extra noise. Thank you.